I have no choice. It's the only powder I have. So let's just hope that everything blends out nice because I don't want to look crazy. Good morning, guys. Well, it's morning for me. I just woke up, just did my makeup. I'm going to be using some BoxyCharm products for the month of January. I have on a lot of items from the box, okay? I'm also going to be trying 3 new products as well. I'm going to be showing you guys the Vanity Tools Vanity Hood. This is an awesome product that every makeup guru needs to have because it's just going to save your clothes, trust me. And then I'm also going to be showing you guys some lashes that I got from Coco Lashes. Awesome stuff, trust me. I'm also going to be showing you guys some sponges that I got from InStylish. It's not in the packaging because I already did my makeup. And also some brushes that I got from Bristles Beauty, okay? So it's going to be a lot of new stuff in this video. It's a new year, new stuff. Everyone wants to know what the newest stuff is that they can try out. Just stick around and you'll see everything that I have on and what we got in the box this month. Kiss New York sent me over some of their new foundations, or aka beauty bombs. And this is the new Cover Plus Care Matte Beauty Balm. It is acne cover and control, and I'll be using coconut because that's my color. I'm gonna be trying out some new makeup sponges today. This one came from InStylish and came with a pack of 2. This is the InStylish multifunctional makeup sponges, and I have 2 different ones. This brown one has this sort of angle on it, and then this pink one has this sort of angle on it. So I'm gonna try this out for the first time, see how it works, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this BB cream and get my face ready and going. It seems to be blending in nicely. Like absolutely nicely. Like this is my color. As far as the sponge goes, it seems to be doing a pretty good job as well. It's nice and soft now that I've wet it, and everything is just blending nice and seamlessly. So let's continue with this. Okay, InStylish, I see y'all. So I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color Soft Tan to do my highlight areas. And then as usual, I'm going to use my Black Opal True Color Foundation Stick in the color Black Walnut to the contour. I'm going to go ahead and apply that, set it, and then we'll move on. And this CoverGirl concealer is actually something new that I'm using too. I've never used it before, and I would say it's looking pretty alright. It's a little light, but you know I'm going to darken it up with my powder, so that's not a problem at all. I'd rather it be lighter than darker for my highlighting areas because it's a highlight area, and then I can just fix it from there. So this isn't bad either. It's nice and creamy and easy to blend out. And this sponge is like, this sponge is amazing, okay? I'm not even going to lie. Like I said, it's nice and soft, and being that it's cutting out with the angles and stuff, it's making it very easy to blend. So this sponge, yeah. For setting my highlight, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And then for the contour areas, I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte bronzer. So let me just go ahead and apply that, and then we're moving to the next step. So I'm gonna be using some brushes from Bristles Beauty. This is my first time using their brushes. They sent them over to me, and I have never tried them out. So this is the first time using them. And I must say that their brushes are really, really cute. This is what we have here. I have a few different brushes that we're going to be trying out today. This is the F08 AM brush, and this is specifically for the contour and highlighting. And then this one, which is the F09 RM brush, this one is specifically for, it says placing, what does it say? Placing and blending on cheeks. So I'm guessing blush or something like that. So these are the 2 face brushes that I'm going to use right now. This brush is really, really soft, and I would say it's really good for precision. Yeah, this is a soft brush. I actually like how it feels on my face. Hey. All right, so now really quick, I'm just going to go on with my large powder brush, my number 2 brush from NYX, and I'm going to add, this is also a new product I never tried before. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Clean Professional loose powder, and it's translucent in the color Tawny, and I'm going to apply it all over my face to try to blend everything out. It has little glitters and shimmers in it. I hope it doesn't look too crazy because I thought it was matte when it was in the store and the packaging, but it's I guess it's matte, but it like has this little glitters to it and shimmers. I don't know how to describe it, but we're going to find out because I have no choice. It's the only powder I have, so let's just hope that everything blends out nice because I don't want to look crazy. Alright, so this is the foundation of my face so far. I have the BB cream on. I have the new concealer. I use the brushes. The brushes I think were pretty good. Like, especially this brush here, I would say, again, I said it again, it's really good on precision and it's really soft. So you guys should definitely check them out. Again, this is Bristles Beauty. BkGrnd.com because these brushes are really cute and so far it feels really good. It softens precision, like whatever. Moving on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the new BoxyCharm items that I got this month. So we have a few items in here from BoxyCharm this month. So I'm just gonna go in it one by one because I'm gonna use everything. So as I use it, I'll let you guys know what it is. So this is the Scarlet Dusk palette from Ace Beauty. This is what the colors look like. I swatched some of it already on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, do it at @makeup_by_Carrie because I do like unboxings and swatches, and that's why you see little fingerprints in there. But I'm gonna use this. I have to go to work, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna try to make something pretty and simple. So using my Bristles Beauty brush in EO2RL, I'm gonna use Sunset Rose. I'm gonna move in with Crimson after, and then I'm going to put Pink Moon somewhere in there. And I don't know, we're just gonna go from there and wing it. So I'm starting off with this color. This is the Ultra Soft Blending Brush, so this is the brush I'm going to use to kind of blend it out, make it easier. How about that? Now I'm going to move on with Crimson. All right, so I'm gonna move in with this pink color, which is called Pink Moon. I'm just gonna apply it to the bottom part. I'm gonna move in with my EOD Dome brush, and this one is for the crease, but what I'm gonna use it for is under my eye on my waterline, and I'm just gonna darken it up. So I think I'm gonna use this color first, and then I'm going to go in with this color and then that color. So I'm just gonna mix it up and see what we do. This is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to both my lashes, top and bottom, and then we'll move on from there. And yeah, to be honest with you, nothing really crazy about it. I'm not that hype about it either. It's kind of like dry in a sense. I don't know. It's not moist enough for me or wet enough to apply it to my lashes. It's kind of on the drier side, but I mean, it's doing something, you know, but it's not something that I will probably spend my money on because it's just, I mean, I'm using it because it's given to me and it's in a box and I'm trying it out, but I wouldn't buy it, so, if that makes sense. So we're gonna move on to the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. And this is what the box looks like, how it looks. Again, I did swatches on my Instagram. This one is not going to bronze me. That's gonna make me ashy. This is for someone lighter, but I'll definitely try out the blush. A blush is a bit bright for my taste, but I'm gonna use it anyway just for the sake of the video. I'm going to use the F09 brush, the one that's for the cheeks and stuff. So let's go ahead and apply. It's like a bubblegum pink, like for real. I don't know if I wanna walk around bubblegum pinkish, but this ain't for me. This shade is not for me. Okay, so the blush is cute or whatever, but it's not for me. It's a little too light. So I'm just gonna be honest, I'm gonna cover this up with my LMR Cosmetics blush, and I'm gonna use this deep one. Hopefully it'll help deepen me up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use this color right here. I mean, any color will be better, to be honest with you, because this is not for brown girls, not for me at least. So let me see what I could do to blend this out. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Whatever, still not how I would like it to be, but I gotta move on. So that's that. All right, so the next product that we have from them is my favorite product, okay? So this is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. This highlighter, I did a swatch again on Instagram, and it was so bomb. It kind of melts it right into your skin. It's very pretty. You see like hints of green, hints of pink or whatever. I don't know how it's going to show up on camera right now, but I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I know it's bomb, so let's just go ahead and get the applying, okay? I'm going to use my fan brush from NYX to go ahead and apply this highlight. It's 8 o'clock. Do y'all see that melt? Like, it literally melts into your skin. Oh my gosh, it doesn't give like that harsh shadowy look. It's just like butter. Like, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I love this highlighter. This is definitely my new favorite. Like, ooh, and I'm gonna OD. I like to OD. I like to, oh, whoa, that sounds bad. Like, I like to OD. It sounds like drugs. And I don't like to OD, not in that way. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my lashes. Now I got some new lashes that I got online on Amazon. I'll put the information in the description box below just so you guys could just like hop on this, because these eyelashes are high cocoa and it cost me $9.99. You got 7 pairs of mink lashes and the lashes are bomb. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what pair I'm going to use. I'm just going to pick one randomly and pop them on, because you get 7 different styles and 7 different pairs for just $9.99. If you guys don't listen, y'all need to hop on these. They're mad flexible. I already demonstrated and showed all of that on my Instagram. So y'all gonna have to get you a pair of these, because these, not a pair, but a pack of these, because you get 7 different pairs and they bomb. So I'm gonna apply my lashes and then I'll come back on video. So this is what the lashes are looking like. I'm telling you, the lashes are fire. Check it out. 7 different pairs, 7 different styles for $10. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and move it with my lip liner. I'm gonna use Nutmeg from NYX, and I'm gonna use Dose of Colors Nude Mood. And you guys, I really don't like colors on my lips. I typically stick to nude colors or like lip gloss, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is what I'm doing, something nude. I'm not really a thing for color on the lips. I don't know what it is, I just don't. So, but let me go ahead and apply this. Okay, so the lippy is on. Nude is what I do. Love my nudes. That's it. I'm loving the way I'm looking so far. What I'm gonna do is gonna shake this baby up right here. This is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray, and I've used this a lot of times. It gives you like this little glistens and little glitters and stuff, so I absolutely love it. Vanity Tools hooked me up with some of their vanity hoods. I have purple and I have black, and basically you put it over your face. It is like a huge bonnet and it covers everything, so that way it does not get on your shirts. Now I know we struggle with this all the time, so you guys need to definitely check them out, because this right here is a lifesaver, and my shirts have not gotten makeup on it since I had it. Woo! Makeup intact, nothing on the shirt. And to be honest with you, it barely even transferred on the hood. So here we got just this little smudge right there. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So out of all of that, just that little smudge, and it's on the hood, not on the shirt. I ain't mad at it. You need to get with it. I'm telling you. All right, y'all, so that is about it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. That was the BoxyCharm box for the month. Everything was looking, you know, some stuff was okay, some stuff was all right, some stuff was mad nice, some stuff was but that's it. That's what you get. You don't know what you're gonna get. So I tried out everything for you guys. Let me know what you think about the products that we tried on today. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give me a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.